Welcome all. In this video, we will learn about globalization. On completion, students will be able to understand the human rights and explain about morality. Globalization. Globalization means integration of countries through commerce, transfer of technology, and exchange of information and culture. In a way, it includes acting together and interacting economies through trade, investment, loan, development schemes, and capital across countries. In a different sense, these flows include knowledge, science, technology, skills, culture, information, and entertainment, besides direct human resource, telework, and outsourcing. This interdependence has increased the complex tension and ruptures among the nations. For the engineers, the issues such as multinational organization, computer, internet functions, military development, and environment ethics have assumed greater importance for their very sustenance and progress. Multinational corporations. Organizations who have established business in more than one country are called multinational corporations. The headquarters are in the home country and the business is extended in many host countries. The Western organizations doing business in the less economically developed or developing or overpopulated countries gaining the advantage of inexpensive labor, availability of natural resources, conducive tax atmosphere, and virgin market for the products. At the same time, the developing countries are also benefited by fresh job opportunities, jobs with higher remuneration and challenges, transfer of technology, and several social benefits by the wealth developed. But this happens invariably with some social and cultural disturbances, loss, jobs, loss of jobs for the home country and loss of exploitation of natural resources, political instability for the host countries are some of the threats of globalization. International human rights. To know what are the moral responsibilities and obligations of multinational corporations operating in the host countries, let us discuss the framework of right ethics. Common minimum rights are to be followed to smoothen the transactions when the engineers and employees of MNCs have to interact at official, social, economic, and sometimes political levels. At international level, the organizations are expected to adopt the minimal levels of values such as mutual support, loyalty, and reciprocity. Second, the negative duty of refraining from harmful actions such as violence and fraud, and basic fairness and practical justice in case of conflicts. Appropriate technology. Identification, transfer, and implementation of most suitable technology for a set of new situations is called appropriate technology. Technology including both hardware and software and managerial skills and procedures. Factors such as economic, social, and engineering constraints are the cause for the modification of technology. Depending on the availability of resources, physical conditions such as temperature, humidity, salinity, geographical location, isolated land area, and availability of water, capital opportunity cost and human value system, which includes their traditions, beliefs, and religion, the appropriateness is to be determined. MNCs and morality. The economic and environmental condition of the home and host countries may vary, but the multinational institutions have to adopt appropriate measures not to disturb or dislocate the social and living conditions and cultures of the home countries. A few principles are enlisted here. MNCs should respect the basic human rights of the people of the host countries. The business practices of the multinational organization should improve and promote morally justified institutions in the host countries. The multinational must respect the laws and political setup besides cultural and promote the cultures of the host countries.